Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Meads Avenue in the city of Orange. And like I say in every video, let me get out of the sun here, a lot has happened since our last video. So, the day before yesterday, we poured 30 yards of concrete on our footings and our slab. And today, because this is a room addition and not an ADU, but again, sometimes we make exceptions here at the ADU Pro. This client has built a few ADUs with us, and now they want us to do a large 900 square foot room addition at their personal residence. So today, all this stucco right here is going to get removed because this addition is going to be attached here. And right over here with the electrical panel, there's going to be a large opening here that goes into their kitchen family room area. So today, more demo, removing all the stucco. All the lumber gets delivered tomorrow. Thank you to 84 Lumber, our new lumber supplier. And we'll start framing this darn thing. Excuse me, too much coffee. So guys, any questions about not room additions but ADUs, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Hey guys, please give us some likes, subscribe to our channel so you can follow our progress on all our projects. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.